अस्सलामुअलैकुम। हम आपके लिए अच्छी अच्छी वीडियोस बना रहे हैं, आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।
Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah. I hope you are all doing very well. In today's video I am going to be unboxing this Entity tablet slash laptop which I bought from Argos. Now the original price of this was £119.99, but we got it for £89.99 because it was on offer. So yeah, let's get started. But before we do get started, actually, I want you all to press that subscribe button if you haven't already, and also press the little bell icon which is next to it so you don't miss any of my new videos. And yeah, let's get started right now. So this is what the box looks like. Just says Entity right there, and the rest of it is plain. Just on the side it just has some information, where it's imported by, the model number, and if you require any support for the product you can visit their website or email them on that email. And yeah, I'm gonna open up the seals now, and I'm gonna do that off camera, and then I'll be right back. So I've opened up the box and it opens up like this, and the first things on top you just get is the instruction manual and the quick start guide. It comes with Android 13. So yeah, just put those to the side. Then you get this massive bubble wrap thing to protect the tablet. We'll put this to the side and we'll take a look at what's inside the box first. So if you open this thing right here, you get your charger wire, which is a USB-C wire right there, and you also get your little plug adapter, whatever you want to call it, right here, and it has Entity written on it as well. So that is what the plug looks like. Now let's take a look at the actual tablet. So here is the tablet. You can take it out of this little packaging thing. Put the packaging to the side, and here is what the tablet looks like. Has a little camera right there, and it says Entity in the center, and on the bottom it has just some model number and all that. And on the back, this is what it looks like. That's the serial number. So let's open this up. Oh, and you can see the buttons right there. So this is the power on off button, volume rockers. It also has a headphone jack, and then it has the Type-C port, I think that is an SD card slot, and a USB slot as well, and then it has a speaker grill right there. And take a look right there. Is it focusing? Right there. So let's open it up. And it is on. And this is what the keyboard looks like. And it's got one of those screen protector things on it. I'll remove that in a bit. So yeah, that's what it looks like. And you can also remove the screen so you can use it as a tablet. It's just magnetic. These stick on to this part of the keyboard right here. You don't need to press anything, you just put them back on just like this, match them up to the sides, and it's on. So yeah, that's what the tablet looks like.